Another day, another chance, another day, another recording. Today I'll be doing something. It's called Django. It's just a project in Django, and something that I just want to do. I just want to project. So okay. So I'll pretty much be doing that. Django around. Okay. So so let me go to chapter 18. 18 in my book. Right. So chapter 18, we're working on the project called Django. So it's pretty much like a game. It's pretty much like a program that you develop. So basically, as the internet has evolved, uh, the line between websites and mobile apps have blurred. Websites and apps have both helped users interact with data in a variety of ways. Fortunately, you can use Django to build a single project that serves a dynamic website as well as a set of mobile apps. Django is Python's most popular web framework, a set of tools designed for building interactive web applications. So obviously in Django, you need to create like a web environment, you need to create one. So you're gonna go to chapter 18. Obviously, I also made change modifications, right? It is folded like chapter 19 or chapter 18, right? Go to open integrated terminal, open this up, right? My integrated terminal, and then with an upper key, right? So you see on your keyboard, you got arrows that point up, down, left, right. So the arrow pointing up, which is called the upper key, right? You gotta use it, right? And then with it, you're gonna run an environment. You're gonna run an environment, right? Okay, well that's loading. So obviously, and then what you're gonna do is we need to activate the virtual environment using a code. You need to activate that. Obviously, this code is outdated in the book, so I'll show you a different one. So this needs to be like neon green. The highlighted part needs to be neon green in order for you to actually observe and see that the environment has been activated. So that's what you need. So that's what you need to see. So obviously, it's taking a long time. So while we wait for that, you write a code. As soon as you write that code to activate the environment, and then once it's activated, you can have a choice to deactivate it, but that's not what we're gonna do. What you need to do is you need to install Django, right? You install Django. So you're gonna do pip install upgrade pip, right? But first I need to activate it first. I need to activate, yeah. So set execution policy scope, right? Migrate, no. right? So as you can see here, this neon green or this lime strip indicates that the environment has been switched on. So you're gonna do pip install upgrade pip, and then you're gonna do pip install Django. Just install the necessary things that you need for it, you know. Then pip install Django, okay, and so on and so forth. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna Django add insert project. So pretty much what you're doing here is, right, what you're doing here is this. Okay, you're gonna do start admin for each and every single thing that you see here. Right, so you pretty much do like Django admin for all of these, right? So what you do is you wanna run each and every single file you can get your hands on in the terminal. So if you run start project, what you're gonna do is you're gonna end up with a file called project python manage.py migrate, and then you're gonna migrate. So basically, pretty much you're gonna modify the database. You're pretty much migrating it, issuing the migrate command for the first time tells Django to make sure the database matches the currency of the project. Right, so we're gonna be migrating files, and as soon as we do that, we're gonna press run server. And then once you press run server, right, and then as soon as you run the server, uh, you're gonna go to your web browser, right? Then you're gonna do localhost 8000. Oh, what? Okay. Alright, so these are all the migrations that happened here. So all of these files were migrated. You know, all of them were migrated. Yeah. So you're gonna see this called install worked successfully. So you've installed it, run source, activate, Python manage, all that jazz. You know what I mean? So that's what happens. You obviously you start the project. After you start, so we can run out this. Start the project. Out is right, and then you can do out on a terminal. our project, right? It's gonna start project command tells Django to set up a new project called LL project. The data at the end of the command creates the new project with the directory structure that will make it easy to deploy the app to a server when you're developing it. So obviously, if you want to start up your Django, so you do Django admin, ls project, and then you're gonna do Python manage py migrate. So that's very silly of me. So that's what you're gonna be doing in order to start that. You follow this, do that, then press Python manage.py migrate all of that. You do that. You press Alt S as well. Follow it up with Alt S. Alt S, and then yeah. Alt S. Then you do that, and then okay. Let's see if I can go to my local host. Obviously, set up a firewall, right? Then you press Python manage run server, right? Press run Python run server. Come on, Python. Yeah. So that's what you do. And when you press run Python, you should get the page there. You should get to the page. Wow, bro. Okay.